Hi guys, Derek from Lovell's Adelaide. This video today we're going to have a look at the new Clearview mirrors for the 300 series. They've just come onto the market recently and we've fitted up a set as you can see here. These particular ones suit the Sahara models with the blind spot monitoring, heating, the camera that comes in underneath as well. You swap out the factory camera so you've still got the full side view, etc. It has got the puddle lamp as well. Cat 5 indicator that can be swapped out for a Cat 6 if required for a GVM. And of course the dual mirror configuration as well. Keeping in theme with all the other previous Clearview releases, this is in the black scalp with the grain on it. You can get the scalp with no grain if you wish to paint it, or the chrome version as well for a little bit more money. The unique thing with the 300 series they had to do, because of the aluminium skin and the factory mirror being just mounted onto the skin here, they actually found that they had to brace it by also putting a little bit up onto the little triangular piece up here onto the front of the door as well. Nice and solid now. So installation is much like we had with the 200 series. You do have to remove the factory camera from the old mirror. To get the old mirror off, you need to remove the door card. It is a little bit different because we're now bolting to the front corner of the door here. It does require then removing this whole trim piece, the belt strip on the outside as well, just so you can get to those pieces. But wiring is plug and play. If you know what you're doing, looking about an hour per door, thereabouts. Another great accessory from a great Australian company. So the great thing with the Clearview mirrors, of course, is that they do extend. And it's not just for convenience sake. Clearly it's a lot easier to see down beside a large trailer with the mirror out here, but also the Australian design rule does say that you're actually supposed to be able to see behind your trailer, and getting the mirror this far out does allow you to get down and see a bit behind. If you've got your mirror tucked away right in here, you're not going to be able to see past many big vans, and you're actually in breach of the law in doing that. We will be doing some heavy duty towing with this as of next month, so this is part of the journey to get the car ready for that. We've already fitted out the rest of the car as you've seen. We've got the plugs on the back, heat exchange, dual battery compressor, etc. This is one of the last pieces of the puzzle. We do keep a number of the Clearviews in stock. Pays to ring and check though for your particular model, just to make sure we have it before coming on down to pick them up. Thanks for watching. I'm Derek from Lovell's Adelaide. If you like what you've seen, like to see some more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and look out for content coming out